Ever wondered how you can dry your clothes efficiently while saving on energy? Meet the Eco Dry setting on Samsung dryers, a game changer in eco-friendly laundry solutions. Designed to reduce power consumption, this smart feature optimizes both drying time and temperature, ensuring your clothes come out perfectly dry with less heat. By slightly extending the drying time, the Eco Dry setting minimizes heat usage, making it an ideal choice for regular laundry loads. Imagine cutting down on utility bills while doing your part for the environment. It's a win-win. This innovative setting is typically enabled by default on most Samsung dryer models, but you can easily adjust it in the settings if needed. While it's perfect for everyday clothing, it's best to avoid using it for heavy or bulky items to maintain efficiency. At Vancouver Appliance Service Pros, we believe in the power of smart appliances and sustainable living. Ready to optimize your laundry routine and embrace energy-saving practices? Consider upgrading to a Samsung dryer with the Eco Dry feature, and let us help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and remember, with Samsung and Vancouver Appliance Service Pros, saving energy has never been easier or more effective.